Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom Nail Polish Jams and Jellies collection. This is my haul with swatches. And let's get going. So this is the collection here. Raspberry Marmalade. These are all gorgeous like jellies with serious hollow, scattered hollow. Apricot Preserves was the orange one. And the yellow is lemon curd. Next up is the green, and this is mint jelly. Then we've got a blue one, and it is called blueberry jam. And lastly, we've got a purple called Grape Spread. Let's get into swatching these. For all of these today, I'm going to be doing 2 coats and a top coat. And for my swatch photos, I'll be showing you this in glossy and matte. You can see they dry down pretty matte on their own, but you know, I got to get them smooth, so I'm going to be using some top coats. And I just love this. Raspberry Marmalade. So stunning. And throw that glossy top coat on there. Yum, yum. Squishy, squish. All right. And here it is glossy as well as matte. I'm sorry my photos aren't that great. I tried taking them like 3 times and that's just as good as it gets. Next we've got Apricot Preserves. And you can see how they dry down. You may want a thick top coat for these or something like Jellies from American Classics, you know, to kind of smooth them out. But I am applying the top coat here. And we're going to do the same double swatch photos coming up here very soon. Alright, there we go. Glossy and matte. And next up here is the lemon curd. And I know this looks a little green on film, but it's really yellow. It's really yellow. It's that blue sticky tack stuff that I've got the nail holding down with that's distorting the color. So I did purchase these with my own money, and that is why we're doing them on the little nail tips. I wanted to hurry up and get this video recorded and share it with you because, as you all know, indie makers don't keep polishes around forever. They do up these batches, and then when they're gone, they're gone. So if you're looking for like a rainbow collection like this, you may want to check this one out. I love them, and I really like them mattified. I think that they're really pretty mattified. So here we go with mint jelly and a second coat of mint jelly. Loving this scattered hollow. I guess it's been a while, you know. We got all into the linear hollow and then into other things, but this is just, I'm loving it. Digging it. And there is mint jelly glossified and mattified. Next up, we've got blueberry jam. And the formula on these were all great, and I like the brushes. They dried really well. I have no complaints at all. You will be seeing all of these polishes and manicures coming up. They're going to get shown some love real quick because I want to play with them. They're screaming at me. Alright, there is blueberry jam, glossy and mattified. And finally we have Grape Spread. This is, I don't even know what to tell you about these except for I really love them and I hope you enjoyed my swatches. I will have a link for Dom Nail Polish down below if you'd like to go check them out. And there goes that glossy top coat over the top. And we're about done with these swatches. I hope you enjoyed my swatches today. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing down there. And that is it for me today. As always, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.